Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. I am your instructor Sharvari Joshi and you are welcome in my math segment. So today in intermediate level chapter 4 we will learn how to square numbers using the traditional formula a minus b the whole square but in the twist of magic maths. So let's see.
Let's learn the formula. Let's learn the formula of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this is a new formula, new from what we learned before. Okay, so the expansion of this formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So as we learned before, a square, that is a number square, a square minus 2ab, that is no sign, is equal to multiplication sign. So 2 into a into b plus b square, that is the number square or the b square. Okay. This formula is very much like the first one. Just the difference is the middle term carries a negative sign in this formula. Let's learn examples. Let's learn the examples to know the formula in depth. Now let's find the square of 995. We express the number 995 as 1005. Now why do we take it as 1005? When we make the number in two different numbers, we can easily put those two different values in the formula of a plus b and we can solve the sum. Okay, so 1000 minus 5 the whole square is equal to, that is a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square, that is 1000 square, minus 2ab, that is minus 2 into 1000 into 5 plus b square plus 5 square. So 1000 squares is written here. 2 into 1000 into 5 is written here plus 5 square is written here. So we get the answer as 990025. So we get a complete answer as 990025 and we know that the square of 995 is 9900 and 25. Wasn't this easy? Now let's find the square of 698. We will express the number 698 as 700 minus 2. Now why do we take this value 700 minus 2, 1000 minus 3? So when we take a certain number, we have to round up to its nearest 100. Now what do you mean by that? Now 698, a nearest 100 or a nearest 10 for 698 will obviously be 700. Okay, so 698 is what? 700 minus 2. So we take the value 700 minus 2 to show 698. Now let's put it in the formula. A minus b the whole square, that is equal to 700 minus 2 the whole square is equal to a square 700 square minus 2ab, 2 700 into 2 plus b square plus 2 square. So we get the answer as 700 square here minus 2 into 700 into 2, that is 2800 here plus 2 square. And when we subtract these two numbers and add 4 to these answer, we get a complete answer as 487204. So we know that the square of 698 is 487204. Wasn't this easy? So we have learned the two important formulas. As now we have got the hang of them, we are ready to learn the whole new magical formula of magic maths.
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.